Welcome back to Stock Trader School, from rookie to Rainmaker, and this is Wall Street Walkthrough. Have you ever wondered what happens on the other side of your screen? Like what's really going on behind the scenes of a trading floor? Well, today we're giving you an inside look at what it takes to run a trading desk. The good, the bad, the ugly. So let's get right into it. Hi, if you're new here, welcome to the channel, where we bring you the most up-to-date and accurate information on the industry to help you make the best career decisions. There are desks focused on specific regions or sectors, and there are desks that cater to particular types of clients, such as pension funds or hedge funds. Each desk is staffed by a team of experts who monitor market conditions, execute trades, and provide insights to clients. Today, we're covering everything you need to know about a trading desk, from the key roles involved to their day-to-day workflow and compensation. They build and maintain relationships with clients, understand their needs, and provide them with the necessary information to execute their trades. Sales traders have a deep understanding of the markets and the products that their desk offers, and they are responsible for generating new business opportunities for the desk. They monitor market conditions, and the desk has positions to identify potential risks and develop plans to mitigate those risks. Risk officers work closely with execution traders to make sure the trades are executed in a way that minimizes risk. They review market data, discuss potential opportunities and risks, and coordinate their efforts to make sure that everyone is on the same page. This is a critical time for the team, as it sets the tone for the rest of the day and helps them to stay organized and focused on their goals. And they also work with clients to make sure that they understand the risks associated with their trades. Well, you'll need a combination of education, skills, and experience. Well, it's fast-paced, high-pressure environment where success is measured by performance. The ability to work collaboratively with others while also being able to work independently is key. It's not just the Wolf of Wall Street. Although there are long hours and demanding clients, there's also a sense of camaraderie and teamwork that makes it an exciting place to work. Typically, an advanced degree in finance or a related field is preferred, along with strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Typically, you can expect to receive a base salary plus a bonus based on the desk's overall profitability. The bonus can vary widely depending on the desk's success and your individual contributions. In addition to monetary compensation, many desks offer benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. Overall, working on a trading desk can be a rewarding experience both financially and professionally. You lines also need to have a deep understanding of the markets and the financial instruments that are traded on the desk. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills are essential for building relationships with clients and working effectively as part of a team. Finally, you lines need to have the ability to work in a fast-paced environment and make quick decisions under pressure. They discuss market conditions with their clients, get their orders, and provide them with any information they need to make informed decisions. Meanwhile, the execution traders are busy executing trades on behalf of the firm and its clients. They use their expertise and knowledge of the markets to execute trades at the best possible prices, and they monitor market conditions to make sure that their positions are well managed. The desk strategist is also active during this time. They continue to monitor market conditions and look for new opportunities to capitalize on. They work closely with the execution traders to make sure that the desk's activities are aligned with their overall strategy. The risk officer is also closely monitoring the situation and making sure that the desk's activities are within acceptable risk parameters. They typically have a deep understanding of financial instruments and the markets in which they trade, and they must be able to make quick decisions to mitigate potential risks. They work together to make sure that their clients' needs are met and that the desk's revenue goals are achieved. Towards the end of the day, the team comes together again to discuss the day's activities. They review their performance, discuss any issues that arose, and make plans for the next day. This helps them to learn from their experiences and improve their processes for the future. They also work closely with the execution traders to make sure that clients' orders are executed smoothly and efficiently. Typically, a trading desk will have for core roles execution traders, sales traders, desk strategists, and risk officers. They analyze market trends, identify opportunities, and develop plans to capitalize on those opportunities. Desk strategists typically have a long-term view of the markets, and they work closely with the sales and execution traders to make sure that the desk is executing trades in a way that aligns with the overall strategy. It is important to note that each desk can have a different workflow depending on its specific focus and goals, but here is a general overview of what you can expect. They often use advanced analytical tools and techniques to develop their strategies, and they must be able to adapt quickly to changes in the markets. They all work together to achieve the overall goal of the desk, which is to generate revenue for the firm while providing excellent service to clients. Let's start with the basics. What actually is a trading desk? Well, think of a trading desk as a specialized team within a larger financial institution like a bank or an investment firm that focuses on buying and selling financial instruments on behalf of the firm and its clients. This includes buying and selling financial instruments in the markets to provide liquidity and making sure that trades are executed at the best possible prices. Execution traders rely on their deep knowledge of the markets and their ability to read market data and make quick decisions. They typically have direct access to trading systems and electronic communication networks, ECNS, and they use advanced order routing systems to ensure that their clients receive the best prices available in the market. These can range from stocks and bonds to more complex derivatives like options and futures. Each desk has a specific focus and goal. For example, there are desks dedicated to specific asset classes like equities, fixed income, or foreign exchange. Now that we have that out of the way, let's dive into the typical roles you'll find on a trading desk. First up, we have the execution trader. They are responsible for executing trades on behalf of the firm and its clients. Next, we have the sales trader, who acts as the primary point of contact between the trading desk and the firm's clients. Now moving on to the desk strategist. As the name suggests, they are responsible for developing and implementing the overall strategy for the desk. Finally, we have the risk officer, whose primary responsibility is to manage the risk associated with the trading desk's activities. All right, now that we've covered the main roles on a trading desk, let us discuss how these roles work together on a day-to-day basis. The day starts with pre-market prep. This is when the team gets together to discuss the plan for the day ahead. Once the markets open, the sales traders start taking client calls. As the day progresses, the team continues to take client calls, execute trades, and monitor market conditions. So what does it take to be successful in one of these roles? Speaking of which, what's the culture like on a trading desk? Finally, let's talk about compensation. As with many things in finance, compensation on a trading desk is based on performance. If you're looking for a career that is fast-paced, challenging, and offers the potential for high earnings, then a trading desk may be the perfect fit for you. Trading desks might look like chaos from the outside, but now you know the structure behind the speed. If you're aiming for a seat or just want to think like a pro, stick with us. More Wall Street insights next week.